This here is the iPhone 13 mini, and this is the 1 week review of the iPhone 13 mini. Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's been now a week that I have been using the iPhone 13 mini as my main smartphone and my iPhone of choosing. Now the iPhone 13 of course is the youngest sibling in the iPhone 13 lineup from its older sibling, but that did not stop me from choosing the iPhone 13 mini as my chosen iPhone for this year when I was deciding to upgrade from the iPhone 11. Now, I'm going to be dividing this review video in 3 parts. So I'm going to be talking about the camera, the size, and the power of the iPhone 13 mini, since those were the things that I was looking for when I was upgrading to the iPhone 13 mini and choosing which iPhone to choose at the end of the day. So let's start. So first off, let's start with the size. So the iPhone 13 mini, of course, is the smallest iPhone in the iPhone 13 lineup that Apple released this year. But I think that the size of it is just the perfect size for me. So I have really tiny hands, and just being able to use it with one hand is just it's just amazing. With the iPhone 11, of course, I really enjoyed that size and everything. But I had to stretch out my thumb and everything just to reach to the other side when I was trying to use it with one hand. And it was just not comfortable, of course. It just hurt my hand and everything. And so just having be able to reach the whole phone with one hand, like the iPhone 13 mini, it's just really great and it's easy on my hands. And I could just keep typing away while I'm walking and everything. I don't have to stop and use 2 hands or anything like that. I could just continue. Or when I'm taking pictures of something, I could just, hold it up and just start taking pictures with one hand and not have to stop for anything to level up the photo or anything like that. So I was just happy, and that's one of the main reasons why I decided to choose the iPhone 13 mini, was because of the size of the phone. It's just a perfect size. I don't need a big screen or anything like that, so that's why I went with the iPhone 13 mini, because of that size. Next, of course, is the camera. Now, of course, I'm a big fan of photography. I love photography. I take a lot of pictures with my iPhone. 90% of my Instagram photos are pretty much iPhone photos that I take using the iPhone. So of course I was kind of skeptical when like Apple was talking about this new iPhone mini, but then I was happy that they included a lot of the sensors and everything from the iPhone 12 Pro, and they included it in the iPhone 13 mini. And of course they also improved the sensor as well, and added the newest sensors that all of the new iPhone 13s have this year. And of course it was a really big change, the sensor, that Apple actually had to change the way that the lenses were set up on the back of the phone into a diagonal form, just to give the sensors a little bit much more space to be included on the iPhone 13 mini. And of course one of the big things that I really enjoyed about this upgrade of the iPhone 13 mini is the ultra wide lens that I got some love this year. So I'm a huge ultra wide lens fan since the iPhone 11, and I just love it that Apple gave it some love with some better night features as well. So if you take night photos, it got a little bit of love there, and also stabilization as well. So that's a really big thing for me, and also a better aperture as well when it came to the ultra wide lens on the iPhone 13 mini. So I was just really happy with all the upgrades that it got this year, the camera, and it just looks fantastic, the camera as well. All the pictures that you could take, I just like how they look pretty much like, when you take a picture, they look pretty much like the true color of the thing that you're taking pictures of, and it's not overly saturated or anything like that, and you can just edit the photos to make it a little bit nicer. And I just love how it supports RAW as well, these photos on the iPhone 13 mini. Next, let's talk about the power. So the iPhone 13 has the built-in A13 Bionic chip that comes included with all the iPhones this year. And the iPhone 13 Bionic chip did not, the iPhone A15 Bionic chip did not slow down or anything. I tested out fully, from editing videos on it to using editing photos, taking pictures, taking videos as well. It did not slow down for a bit. It did not glitch or anything, and that's what I really liked about the iPhone 13 mini. It's just the power that you were able to have, and it's just a huge upgrade from the A15 Bionic chip, of course, included, that I was coming from the A13. So it was just super fast, and I was just happy with everything that was included in this upgrade of the iPhone 13 mini. So at the end of the day, I'm pretty happy with this iPhone 13 upgrade that I decided to come from the iPhone 11, and it's just one of my favorite iPhone 13s yet, and it's probably going to be a very popular iPhone, the iPhone 13 mini, because not only because of the size, the camera, but the power that's also included in the iPhone 13 mini. So yeah, I'm just super happy. If you're deciding to upgrade to the iPhone 13 mini, it might be the perfect iPhone of this year, because of everything that Apple included in the iPhone 13 mini this year. So yeah, I'm pretty much saying that the iPhone 13 mini is the perfect iPhone of 2021 and 2022 pretty much. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing really bad to say about the iPhone 13 mini yet. Of course, I will be doing a review video in 3 months from now to see if the battery life still holds up, everything still holds up, if I'm still happy with the iPhone. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the iPhone this year of the iPhone 13 mini. And if you guys did enjoy this video, it would mean the world to me if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.